Gene therapies, innovative treatments that transform lives. Around the world, medical and technological innovations are revolutionizing how some diseases are treated, saving, extending and improving the lives of patients who until recently had few or no treatment options. Advances in biologic therapies such as recombinant proteins, monoclonal antibodies and immunotherapies are increasingly allowing doctors to personalize treatment according to genetic factors. This trend is being fueled by our growing understanding of the genetic basis of many diseases, together with advances in bioengineering and computational science. Groundbreaking therapies are becoming part of clinical practice. However, because they're so transformative, to realize their full potential, health systems will need to adapt and adopt new approaches to providing patients with access. Gene therapy is one of the most important medical revolutions in the world today. Pioneering gene therapies offer the potential to durably change the course of many severe and debilitating genetic diseases, transforming the lives of thousands of patients who may otherwise have little or no hope of treatment, and improving their quality of life. Gene therapy represents a radical shift in treatment. Rather than treating symptoms, gene therapy can correct the underlying cause of disease in order to treat it or even cure it. It marks the beginning of a new era in the battle against genetic diseases. Many clinical trials for gene therapies and other advanced therapy medicinal products are underway around the world. It is estimated that up to 500,000 patients in the European Union could receive such treatments by 2030. However, medical innovations can only succeed bringing benefits to patients and society if health systems are ready to support their uptake. Various challenges need to be overcome to allow gene therapies and other transformative treatments to be integrated into health systems. For example, patients' access may be hampered by difficulties in reaching the specialist treatment centres, by reimbursement and funding models that are not well suited to transformative innovations, and challenges related to their eligibility for the therapy. In order to overcome these challenges, greater levels of awareness and education about gene therapies are needed among all stakeholders. The unique potential of gene therapies will need to be recognised at the healthcare policy level, allowing the policy and regulatory environment to be optimised to enable sustainable patient access. For this to occur, appropriate assessment methods are needed to capture the clinical and economic benefits of gene therapy. This requires long-term evidence generation, particularly using patient registries to collect real-world data on the safety and effectiveness of gene therapies, including their impact on patient outcomes such as quality of life. Innovative models that reflect the long-term value of gene therapies are also needed. These must take into consideration the durability of their effects and their impact on patients, health systems and society in general. These models need to ensure the sustainability of healthcare systems while supporting early access for patients. Centres experienced in the delivery of gene therapy are also needed to provide the necessary high-quality specialised care and knowledge transfer, and to help scale up capacity to drive equitable access for patients in need. Collaboration and early dialogue between manufacturers, medicines regulators, policymakers, hospitals, patients, healthcare professionals and payers are key to finding solutions to these challenges and to help healthcare systems harness these revolutionary treatments. For over 100 years, CSL Behring has delivered innovative treatments to help save and improve the lives of patients with serious and life-threatening rare diseases. Building on our heritage, CSL Behring is now embracing innovation in gene therapy to bring the next wave of breakthrough medicines to people living with rare hematological disorders.